Hey, Scott Grove here from ImagineGrove, and I've got a tip for you for routering. If you're trying to make an adjustment on your router bit and make it line up exactly to a specific inlay or a circle cut or something, lining that up is always kind of tough because you're dropping your bit down and you're turning the bit because the flutes don't line up and you're trying to line up with a line, and that kind of gets dicey. And if you're really trying to be super accurate on how to line that up, what I do is I put a sort of zero clearance. So I double stuck tape a little piece of 1/4" MDF on here. In this case, I'm doing a table, and I have a pivot block on here anyhow, so I need to put a shim sheet there to keep everything parallel, if that makes sense. But by sliding this over and letting my router bit, cut this ever so slightly, now I know exactly where that router bit's going to be. So when I set this baby on, I can now slide this over, and instead of dropping the bit and kind of eyeing in and trying to visualize where that bit is to line up, I can see my zero clearance block, and it's right there, and it's really easy to see, and I can simply just line that up and I'm good to go. I don't have to try to monkey around with the router bit or not, because I already made that cut. So hope that helps for you. It's a big time saver and increases your precision and your accuracy, which we all love. So please subscribe, please share, trying to grow my channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.